Hi guys, crazy ideas no one is back. How's it going? After a long, exhausting day at work, there's nothing more wonderful than sitting and enjoying a cup of tea and watching the fish swim around. At that time, many difficulties and hardships of life seem to disappear. Therefore, let's blow off some steam and immerse yourself in nature. Slow down a bit to see that this life still has a lot of interesting and meaningful things. Join our artisans to renovate a corner of the garden to build a multi-level aquarium, so the corner of the garden has become more lively and vitality. First, the craftsmen used three concrete pillars combined with bamboo slats to create the frame of the work. Then they used bricks, cement, and steel bars to link them together into a solid block. This work was done very quickly and skillfully. As you can see, the curved brick section required workers to have a very good technique and skillfully hands. In addition, the most important thing is that the bearing problem was also carefully calculated so that the frame can withstand with the weight of bricks and cement. After the frame has been completed, the entire work was covered with a layer of cement to increase its stability and aesthetics. At this stage, the worker used brick to build four consecutive steps like a waterfall. This base after completion was also covered with a layer of cement to be consistent with the previous frame. Can you guess what was he doing? Alright, the craftsman also skillfully used cement to shape two leaves. It looks quite attractive, isn't it? To keep move on, the craftsmen used red bricks to build a fence around the work. The fence was also a mini fish tank. Alright, the final stage will be the decoration and painting of the work. Small round cement blocks were attached around the ladle base, and two leaves and base are painted green. The frame is painted dark pink, and the bottom of the mini fish tank is painted light blue. After putting on a layer of colorful paint, the work becomes much more vivid and aesthetic. At this time, two rounds of red bricks were also arranged around the work to form a path, and in the middle of the path was decorated with colorful pebbles. Small plants were also decorated to give the work a fresh and harmonious composition. A circulating wood pump was installed shortly after, and colorful fish was also released into the mini aquarium. Now, it's time for us to take a look at the entire work created after just 2 days from the talented hands of the craftsman. The sound of water murmuring, the fish is swimming around makes the corner of the garden brighter. How about you? How do you feel about this work? Please leave your comments. If you like us, please subscribe to support and follow our next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!